Doesn't take much to see you're hurting, my dear. The story's written in your eyes. The past you're hiding from just won't disappear. It breaks you down inside. You feel the life you have down in flames. If you become too satisfied, you disconnect so no one else feels the pain. To keep the casualties low.